I'm Wajiha from Pakistan, an English tutor with 3 years of experience. I've studied bachelor's in applied English linguistics, and I'm here to teach you and help you with English communication skills. I'll help you be more fluent with your English, how you can use it in your daily life, how you're going to make your conversations more fluent, more actively engaging. I got this passion more when I taught students from different cultures, from Asia, from Europe, from Arab. All the students were really amazed, and I was amazed with teachers with enjoying the study and how every lesson will end up as a fun session. So my classes are very interactive. They're fun to be with me, and I can help you with some practical English language skills. We will use the examples, such slides and ways, methods that are going to be used in the daily life basis. The things that you are going to use in your daily life, dealing with people, interacting with people. Other than that, when I'm free, I like to read books, learn new languages, and by the way, I'm learning a new language, Arabic, right now. So I think I should wait for you to book the lesson right now so we can start the lessons and enjoy the journey together. Thank you.